Hello and welcome. Today, we will be learning how to position widgets within the side cart. There are instances where a widget may not appear in the side cart, or it appears but you would like to change its position. This method will be useful in both scenarios. Currently, you can see that the free gift widget is positioned at the bottom. What if we want to move this free gift to the top? To do this, we first need to inspect this page using the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus I. Command plus Shift plus I in Mac. Next, we need to identify a unique class on this page. Let's say we want to place the widget below the header. As we scroll down, we find a class named Drawer Header. We copy this class and verify its uniqueness on the page. To do this, we use the Ctrl plus F function. If it shows one match, it means this class is unique on this page. Now, let's return to our Kite setup. We navigate to the settings, then to the widget settings. As we scroll down, we find the individual side cart selector. There are multiple options here for positioning different types of widgets. In this demonstration, we are arranging the free gift widget. We paste the copied class into the appropriate field, starting by a full stop. Below the selector, we can select any of the available options as per our preference. Once this is done, we save the changes. Now, let's return to our store and refresh the page to check if the changes have been applied. You can see that the free gift widget has now been moved to the top. That's how you can reposition a widget in your side cart. If you have any further queries, feel free to ask. We are here to help. Thank you.